Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Costco promo code. So now without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser on your mobile device of your choice. For now, I'm just going to launch Safari. Now once you have opened the web browser, just go to the search bar and then search for www.couponsfollow.com. Okay, here we go. Now, once you are here on this website, you can see the option of search just at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now, simply search for Costco. Now, you'll come across various gift cards, coupons, and promo codes as well. Now, select any of these coupons or promo codes that you wish to from your screen. Now, once you're directed to this page, you can see a promo code on your screen. Tap on copy. You can also tap on redeem at Costco. Now you can use this promo code in order to purchase any products from Costco and use this code in order to get discount on certain products. So by following these easy steps, you can find Costco promo code. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel.